of Studio. Play, learn, laugh.
Today we're going to play the alphabet missing letter game. Are you ready? I will show you some letters, but oh no, one is missing. You have to tell me which one it is. Let's go. A, B, blank, D, E. Which letter comes after B? That's right! It's C! A, B, C, D, E. Uh-oh! What letter is missing after H? Yes, I! F, G, H, I, J. K, blank, M. Which one comes between K and M? Correct! L! K, L, M, M, N, O. This one's fast. Which letter comes between Q and S? Yes, it's R. P, Q, R, S, T. Oh, we're almost at the end of the alphabet. Which letter comes after U? That's right, V. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay, you found all the missing letters. Give yourself a big cheer. See you next time for more alphabet fun. Bye-bye, friends.